Hi everyone, I want to be really honest with you today. A while ago, I quit social media. I felt it was a distraction full of mindless scrolling and I wanted a more focused life. But over time, I realized that social media is everywhere and it's unavoidable. If I wanted to buy something or check a business, I would naturally go to their social media accounts, Facebook or Instagram, to read the reviews, but I couldn't. Over time, my friends lost me a lot because I kept changing my phone number and they lost track of me. So I asked myself, am I really off social media or I'm just disconnected and invisible? That's when I decided that I don't want to be a blind consumer, but I want to be a creator. I want to bring value. I want to share what I have learned and I want to use the opportunities that social media offers. So in this video, I will share 5 lessons that I have learned through posting on TikTok and sometimes on YouTube. My journey back started with YouTube in 2023. I launched a channel to help students to get fully funded scholarship. Over the past year and a half, I have received millions of messages from different students from all over the world telling me how they got accepted into universities, wrote their motivation letter or research proposal using my videos. Even if I don't make any money on YouTube, still, just your achievement and your kind comments warm my heart and motivate me to post more. This experience taught me that with social media, you really can have impact on other people's life, and this is really fulfilling for me. Therefore, I had enough courage to open my TikTok account in February 2025. Honestly, I used to think that TikTok is just for dancing videos and entertainment. No offense to creators in that space. You are amazing. But I gave it a try with one goal in my mind: to find a job in Norway. So I began posting daily about my job seeking journey, about my progress, about my achievements and failures and how it's going in general. And the results blew my mind. Within just 4.5 months and only 1,600 followers, I got invited to meet vice presidents of banks, HR professionals, and many other specialists who were offering to help me, refer me within their companies, to review my CV or applications, to give me advice on how to find a job in Norway or in other countries if I want to move. And I even landed a paid collaboration so far. Please share your goals publicly. So what I have learned from that you world should know about your goals, and the best way to do it is social media. Tell people about your goals, whatever it is. If you want to become a painter, show your painters on social media. If you are looking for a job, tell people about this on social media. If you want to become a cook, show your videos about how you cook, or your dreams in general. It doesn't matter. You never know who will watch your video and what will be the next opportunity that you will get because of social media. The world is so unfair, especially now, taking into account what's going around the world, but still there are so many generous, helpful and kind people who will assist you whatever goal you have. So the next thing that you have to remember is use TikTok. Don't let it to use you. I realize that it's inevitable. You can't leave social media. It's everywhere and it can be addictive. But if you're smart enough, you can make it work for you. I realized that I was going to social media anyway, checking the posts of my friends or asking other friends what's going in their life. But I realized, why not to use social media with intention? If you start posting and creating, you will have a specific goal in your mind to create more. So when you start scrolling and using social media, you will not use it just to use, but you will scroll intentionally to find ideas, content ideas, trends, inspirations to make your own channel grow. So be intentional. Use social media to support your goals, not sabotage your time. Before going public, I always kept my Instagram private. When I started posting about career coaching and people were writing some hate comments, I was always deleting them and blocking these people. And when I started first time in TikTok, it was also so hard to read all these comments that people are writing, because apparently they don't have any other things to do but just tell you how you are bad and how your PhD is worthless or whatever. But over time, you will understand that you have so many opportunities from TikTok and in general social media that you don't have time to focus on these hate comments. Now I don't even have time to read every single comment as I used to do. I laugh at them and it's just free entertainment for me. I just focus on the opportunities, on the people, nice people who are writing to me, who want help, who are ready to help me, and not any hate comments. And I just say to them thank you, because they are helping to grow my channel actually. Now I have become more confident, more resilient, and I stopped caring what strangers think, because what I have learned that it doesn't matter what you do, someone will come and tell you that that's wrong, that is not true, that is not right. So why would you care if you can't please everyone in this world? Just do what you wish and reach your goals and enjoy your life. Right now I don't make much money on social media, but the value that it brought to my life was millions. From free advice and consultations on CVs and interviews to heartfelt DMs that brighten my day. And I know that money will come, because no efforts goes unrewarded in the long run, especially. For example, the recent job I got in the college in Norway was because it happened that I speak fluent Russian, and this is a language that I struggled most to learn at university. The same goes with my English language. It was very hard for me to learn English, but basically it was the language that helped me to finance my expenses during my PhD, because I was teaching it online. So if you're someone who saw social media like a waste of time, I get it. But now I see it differently. I see it as a tool that, if can be used with purpose, will open so many doors for you that you can't even imagine. Whether you're looking for a job, starting your own business, sharing your own story, don't be afraid to tell about it on social media. Be real, be valuable, never stop, and I wish you good luck. See you in my next videos.